All right, so that was Bahamas Caught Me Thinking. Afie Jurvanen. Love his stuff. And the reason I did that full song is I need to practice doing entire songs. With my channel, I do little licks and fills and stuff, and maybe intros and outros and all that stuff. But I rarely do a song beginning to end, and I really need to practice that and get better at that kind of thing. So that was Caught Me Thinking by Bahamas. Love all his stuff, especially his most recent album, Sad Hunk. So check that out. And hopefully you can play this back, pay attention to certain things that are going on. There's a lot of flavor on the hi-hat like we talked about a couple weeks ago. Sometimes it's more sloshy, sometimes it's not as sloshy. And so pay attention to that. I hope you have a great week, and subscribe. Let me know in the comments other things you'd like to learn, and look forward to seeing you next week. Bye.